Hello student, in this class we learn Bevel and insert tool and we try to create this reference model by using these tools. So first I create a cube, click on the box and choose cube ratio button and then click and drag. So it's always create a cube. Now convert this as a editable poly. Now I create two duplicate copy of this cube to show two different techniques. So first I switch to select and move tool by pressing W and then press shift key and then click and drag to make a duplicate copy. First we create these connection line by using two different techniques. First technique that we know by connection tool. So first I select these edges by using control key and then right click and choose connect tool. Two connections and increase the spacing like this. Press F4 to show these edges and then select these edges. Then apply connect tool. Okay, so we create this area by using connect tool, but we can also create this area by using insert tool. So in this cube I show you how to create this. Insert tool apply on the polygon. So first I select polygon and then right click. Insert tool is available here, or you can also find this tool in the edit polygon section. Insert tool is also available here. You can also access from here. Click on the insert button. These are caddy contour of this tool. First option is insert type. You can choose group or by polygon options. And the second parameter is related to insert amount. You can increase or decrease this amount as your requirement and apply. This area is also defined by insert tool, but the basic difference between these tools is it's create quad geometry and in this it's create a triangle based geometry. Now select a polygon and then right click and choose extrude tool and change the amount like this and apply. And in the second cube we choose Bevel tool. So first I select a polygon and then right click. Bevel tool is available on the right click and you can also find here. Click on the setting button. First parameter is similar to extrude tool and second for increase the height. And third parameter is similar to insert. You can increase this insert area or change the height like this. So it's also create a similar result, but the basic difference between these corners. If you want to get this result in this cube, so select this polygon and choose scale tool and scale inside like this. So it's also create a same result. So you can choose different tools to get a similar result. You can also provide this detailing in other sides. So select other polygons like this. By pressing Ctrl key, I select all the polygons and then right click, choose insert tool and this time choose by polygon options, apply, then right click and choose Bevel tool. 3ds Max remember the last value, so it apply the same value. So we create this carrot by using insert tool and Bevel tool. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.